and our landmark, Star Tower. Please remain seated throughout the entire ride and refrain from smoking while on board. We also request that you do not put your feet on the handrails or windows during the ride. As we take off to breathtaking heights, sit back and enjoy a bird's eye view of Northern California's best choice for family fun and adventure. Since the Star Tower opened in 1979, it has elevated thousands of guests to an aerial view of the park and the Santa Clara Valley, traveling at a rate of about 6 feet per second. At 200 feet, the Star Tower is the tallest observation tower in Northern California and the second highest point in the park. The multicolored drop tower is the tallest at 224 feet. To the left of Drop Tower, you can see the all-new Planet Snoopy, a themed area for kids and parents, featuring exciting rides and attractions. Plus, don't miss the chance to greet and hug your favorite Peanuts characters, including Snoopy, Charlie Brown, Linus, Lucy, and Sally. Returning to the entertainment lineup this year will be All Wheels Extreme, the high-energy experience featuring a talented cast of daredevils, sure to thrill with every jump, flip, and tail whip. We will also continue our fireworks displays with shows on Memorial Day weekend, Labor Day weekend, and Saturday nights in August. October will once again bring in our annual Halloween Haunt event with more gore than ever before. This event continues to be Northern California's biggest and best in-your-face Halloween experience. Plus, California's Great America is the only theme park in California to offer a complete water park inside, free with park admission. Combine our entertainment with world-class thrill rides and a water park to make California's Great America Northern California's best choice for family fun and entertainment. It's too much fun for just one day, so check out our season pass options and make it an entire season of unlimited fun. Please remain seated until the Star Tower has come to a full and complete stop. At that time, please exit the same way you entered. Thank you and have a great day here at California's Great America.